sports and inspire them to always do their best in balancing sports and academics. Sports is truly an effective avenue to instill youth essential characteristics. Sports plays an important role in encouraging the youth to live a healthy lifestyle and keep away from illegal drugs. Shabu shrinks your brain, and when it is shrunk, you are a living dead. Sabi ni Bato, there's about 1.6 million Filipinos addicted to shabu. Santiago, who was this predecessor, said that are 3 million. Both of them are correct actually. Kasi yung bilang noon sa panahon ko, right after I assumed office, talagang lumabas sila nung panahon ko na all the time the problem of drugs was swept under the rug. And to think that I would like to project a number of 7 million. 7 million Filipinos.